Buongiorno, I'm Diego Pascal Panarello and I'm the director of The Strange Sound of Happiness. My film talks about this little piece of iron, and the sound of it is that. This musical instrument exists all over the world, and it takes different names, shapes and meanings from each place. In my land, in Sicily, it is strictly connected with the idea of mafia. At the same time, in Sakha Republic, Yakutia, the mecca of this instrument, it is strictly connected with everyday people, and for most of them it is a real sacred object. For me, it looks like a key, and with my film, I would like to discover which door it can open. The past year I've been in Sakha Republic with the support of a crowdfunding campaign. Now I would like to come back there to transform my research material in a strong film. So, I would like to invite you to watch my trailer. Spasiba, za vнимание и надеюсь, до скорой встречи.